Hello, my friends. How are you doing today? I have a really quick video for you because some of you who watched my album share of this album, which had a lot of fall, Christmas, all that good stuff, may recall that I said that this layout is finished even if I do not find the accompanying photo of my children with Santa Claus that I would add to it. Guess what? As I'm cleaning my room, okay, let me back up for a second. I am cleaning my scrapbook. I'm going through these phases. I'm either scrapbooking my butt off or I'm cleaning my butt off. Right now, I'm cleaning because I have all these needs for my mental health. I need a nice clean room, and it got crazy. So I started cleaning and I'm still scrapbooking, but not anywhere near what I was planning to. Remember, I said that I was going to have 3 completed scrapbooks up for you in February. Well, that's not going to happen. I'll be lucky to get 1 done. No, I will get 1 done. I'm going to finish one of Juliana's school albums. I have a couple pages left. So I had these high hopes and these grand dreams, and that ain't happening, people. However, I'm so happy to say that while I was cleaning up my crap, I found this. So here is the accompanying Santa photo that is going to fit here. I'm just going to go like this. I'm not going to rip apart my layout and adhere it. And that was my plan. So I am so happy. It's a 5x7, which means I can use these. What did I write here? Oh, this is for something else. It's a 5x7, so I can use my 5x7 peekaboo pockets. Perfection, right? Yes. So I will add that. I might even journal on the back. I might not. I have journaling on these tabs here, but at least I'm going to put a colored paper on the back. I don't want this showing. So that's one bit of happy news, and that's what these peekaboo pockets look like for that. Second bit of happy news is I also found there was a whole folder of 8.5 by 11 photos that maybe I knew I had, I don't know, maybe I didn't, I don't think I did know I had them, but I am going to add those where they go. So for example, some of them are for layouts that I haven't even done yet, which is fine. For those, I'm going to incorporate them right onto the page. So they will be part of the layout itself like that, and add other pictures around it. That's fine. But for the ones that I did find and the layouts are done, such as this, for example, I am going to just put it in on one of these, and look at this. These are from Creative Memories also. I will be purely honest with you. I had no freaking clue I even had these. I have more stuff than I thought. And good supplies that I need. But see these? These are 8.5 by 11. What are they called? I had them on that little blue sheet. Single pocket pages. So what I'm going to do, which is not going to take much effort, I will put the pictures in here and then add it to the layout, the already completed layout. So I don't love the fact that this one is horizontal, landscape, not portrait, but I don't care. I'll still put it in. It's just these were the ones that I got for free when I used to develop with Walmart 150,000 years ago. So they're cute. I'm going to put them in and we're going to go from there. So that one doesn't fit perfectly because it's that dimension, but I think this one, wait. Yep, this ever so cute one is just going to go here. And again, I'm going to put a solid colored cardstock or or a pattern paper on the back, doesn't matter. But I'm just going to add it. And that is going to take care of some more of the backlog I have. By backlog, I mean all these photos that are not in an album yet. And that makes me happy. So I have I have about 6 here that I've already identified the layouts for. And I will do that first, and then, oh, everything's falling. No. Anyway, let me grab this before it all falls. But that is exciting to me. So I will do another quick share with you once I have done all that, because look, now they're all over the floor. Anyway, that made me happy. I had to share with my friends, and that's it. Hope you're having a great day. For those of you who care about my wax melts and candle addiction and all that stuff, stay tuned. I'm going to have a bunch of videos up because some orders are coming in, and I just have to share because I'm bursting with excitement. Thanks, guys. Ciao for now.